Okay, sir. Today I am discussing regarding the waiting inspection and port state control inspection. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The waiting is basically they are checking the risk assessment and risk management, and port state control normally they are coming regarding they checking our safety purpose. In the world, if you will see the port state control is the inspection of foreign ships presents in a nation's port for the purpose of verifying that the condition of the ships and equipment is complying as per the international rules and regulations. Now, just I tell you, now in the Paris, now suppose China, no. Their China area, Japan area is this Tokyo Memorandum. We have Paris Memorandum. Then we have Latin America Memorandum. Then we have Tokyo, Paris. Then Caribbean. Okay, Caribbean. Then we have Mediterranean. Then Black Sea Memorandum (MOU). Okay. Then we have U.S. Coast Guard inspection. Then we have Abuja inspection. Then we have Indian Ocean MOU. Okay. Then Mediterranean. Different type of PSC MOUs in the world. They are coming, they checking our safety, all the safety practical aspects they check all the certificates. We have a lot of certificates. Each and every certificate they will cross check. Tonnage certificate, class certificate, construction or harmonized certificate. They will check all our exemption certificate, all the harmonized certificate. This means safety radio and safety construction, SAFCON, safety equipment, safety construction, safe manning, oil record book, cargo record book, load line certificate, ISM certificate, ISPS certificate. And for if suppose you are doing on MODU, they will check your MODU certificate. For chemical tankers, they check your special all certificates, special purpose ship certificate, passenger certificate, passenger safety certificate, garbage record book, oil record book. Then they will come on deck, they will check your emergency fire pump, air fire pump. They can check each and everything. If suppose cargo running, they can come in the CCR, IG, everything they are coming and checking. Okay, so medical fitness certificate, crew certificate, and different types of certificate they are checking. Suppose you have COC, they are checking all the COC and everything. Okay, now the second thing I am today is my topic is the protocol of regarding the MODU. MODU is constructed. MODU constructed before 1st July 2004 to install and later than 2006. So SSA is also activated. Now today after the PSC, the my second target is different satellites. I will tell you today how many satellites nowadays in the world. Now we have Indian satellite is NAVIC. Okay, now the other satellite USA is very famous, you know, everybody, global position system. Okay, now very close accuracy is approximate 5 meter. Russian GLONASS is very good, and okay, improved their accuracy till 2020 1.4 meters. Previous the accuracy there is around 5 to 6 meters. Then European Galileo also very good accuracy is around 1 meters. Then this our Chinese is I think Beidou Zhao, this accuracy is 10 meters. Indian NIVEC is also 10 meters. Different types of satellites in the world, and we must know all the activities. Now today we also discuss regarding the SSAS system. SASAS system is a ship security alert system. Ship security alert system, you know, when the ISP is coming around 1st July 2004. So all the ships are to be provided with SSAS system from 1st July 2004. And normally ship security officer, some companies captain, some companies is a chief officer. So cargo ships of 500 GRT or more and MODU, you know, FPSO, FSU, constructed before 1st July 2004 to install it later, but they told not later than 2006. So just I tell you today is my very small class regarding the port state, wetting inspection and different kinds of satellites. In the wetting inspector, when they coming, they are mostly sophisticated and they mostly checking regarding the deficiency related to risk assessment and risk management. PSC is little stringent because if anything mistake, your ship will be detained, and in the other side your ship will not be detained. They will put everything in the SIRE. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.